Hi, in this video let me show you how to download and install Zoom on your HP laptop. Let's get started right away. So the first step is to open any web browser, Chrome, Microsoft Edge, it doesn't matter, and you're going to type on the top zoom.com. This is the official website. Once you're on the website, you won't see any download button. I guess they forgot to put one. I don't know why. You need to go all the way down on this page. So I will go down, 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 all the way until we get over here where you see download. You're going to click on download. Go down. And this is probably what you want. Zoom Workplace for Windows. You have a few options. You have 64 bits. Most newer HP laptops will be 64 bits, so download it. If you have an older HP laptop, you may want to click on 32 bits. I'll click on my 64 and it will start right away, the downloading. It should take about a minute or two depending how fast your internet speed is. So let's come back once this is completed. Once it's downloaded, you can press Open File, or you can exit this, open File Explorer, go in Downloads. You're going to see your file you just downloaded, your Zoom install full here, double click on it. Press Yes. And you're going to get the installation was successful. It doesn't take much time. Press Done, and here you can do all the stuff that you can do on Zoom. All the options will be there. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.